dasal. Good morning, y'all. God. My brain's still cracking. What the fuck? So, nag-text yung owner na shop ng mechanical na pinuntahan natin isang araw. Dumating na yung in-order nating wheel adapter. That's why, I think, 8 AM lang ata ngayon. So, pupunta tayo sa shop nila. Nadala natin yung toy car sa shop nila. Para ma-install yung wheel adapter. Dala tayo pa yun. Baka biglang umulan. Tashi. Hindi pa ako nagtutoothbrush. Hindi pa ako nag-breakfast. Hindi pa ako umiinom kape. Tashi. Barit sa akin. At least pogi pa din. I think kakain muna tayo ng breakfast summer. Ba tayo daw ng And then, hindi ko pa pala napapakita sa inyo to, right? Hiningi ko sa tito ko. This steering wheel lock. I'll see that shit. We have steering wheel lock for sure. Hindi na show you kung paano itong steering wheel lock. Wow. Parang hindi naman naulan eh. Pwede tayong kumain muna ng breakfast summer, right? Oh my God, baha! What the hell, eh? Breakfast summer kasi umulan. Thank you. Dahil parang umulan, hindi na ako mag-breakfast. Diretso na tayo. Ay? Oh my God. Check this out. This shit look quite as hell, but lagyan pa natin siyang mas malapad, right? Lagyan pa natin siyang mas malapad. Times. What the fuck is that? Shit's dirty as hell. Change for. Let's go. Gawin natin to. Pinakabait na kotse sa buong Pilipinas.
Bali, plus 250 bawat isa, bali plus 1,000 na. Natin plane yan. Eh kasi kung lalagay ko 32mm, eh, nandito lang yun. Eh yung spacer mo pa,
Opo.
eh 10mm din yun.
Opo.
Kaya sabi ko, muna ako ng 52. Ah, 50mm.
Damn, this shit wild as. Damn, this shit wild as hell. What the fuck? It's gonna be the widest car. Widest car in the Philippines, yo. Widest customized car. Shit. Not bad though, not bad. Maganda pa rin naman. Aside.
Pero koy dapat ang lagay natin yung dito, maayos lang na eh. Maayos lang na yung dito. Ito yung lagay ko loob.
Kapal. What the fuck? Sobrang kapal. Kung magkano pa ba?
Kaya pinagay natin. 1.25. Tama. 12 by 1.5 pa lang.
Damn. I have the widest car. What the hell? This is the before. Let me show you all the before, right? The before of the rear wheel. Before of the rear wheel, right? Then I'm gonna show you all the after, right? Woo! I got the widest car.
Kailangan ng dito eh. Kailangan nakatipid. Station nila yun. Kaya, bilain na. mga panlabas nito, mga panloob ng mga palinis nito. Dahil hindi, mahalog.
Ah.
Ito yung orang yung bago na lang. Ito dito, palitan yung lang.
Oh my god, this is so wide. What the hell is this?
Teka lang,
Ha?
na-over sila sa matin.
Apa kinonvert na lang? Wala ba? Thank you pa kuya. Apa? Thank you pa. Okay, good. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you pa. Thank you pa. Damn! We good, we good, we good. We good now, yun now. Paano go? I mean, what the fuck, magtatagalog nga pala nga. Punta tayo sa isang bahay namin. May gagawin na tayo sa clip. Sana wag umulan. What the hell eh? Nakakatakot sa likod ng truck oh. What the fuck? Nasa bigas truck. Nasa bigas truck. Pero yes, sana wag umulan. Pag umulan, I'm fucked. Now we'll just wait, y'all. It's stoplight. We'll just wait, right? Look how white my sheet is, y'all. Look how white my sheet. Oh my gosh, it's white as hell. Ooh. Damn. She white as hell. Okay, man, say man. Right now, I'm on my way sa ibang bahay namin. May gagawin lang ako saglit and then uuwi na tayo. That's it. That's it. Woo! Buti papunta ko dito sa bahay. Umuulan na. You see that? Umuulan na. It's raining. Umuulan na. So, magkapatila lang tayo ng ulan and then, yeah, type shit. Oh, and then pinagkama rin pala siya dito sa bahay namin. Kasi, kahit umulan, okay lang. Kahit umulan, no problem. And then, hindi rin bumabaha dito. Type shit. Ito ko. Tayo. Patayin naman natin. Nabot ako dito sa bahay. Ayun, siya. Very good. Look how wide na siya. Look how wide. But we can get out because there's a motorcycle. Yeah, may motorcycle. Ooh. Pero may motor. Hindi tayo makalabas. What the hell? Motor. Check this out, oh, check this out. This is Maida sa beach, yeah? This is Maida sa beach. Woo! Can someone make an edit? Someone make an edit of my toy car? Someone make an edit? Wait, y'all, wait. Can someone make an edit? Wait, wait. Let me give y'all some. Y'all fuck with it, y'all fuck with it. Look how wide the rear is. Oh, yeah. Wait, let me get my thumbnail. Let me get my thumbnail. Let me get my thumbnail. Making a thumbnail in front of strangers is crazy. What the hell? Let me cross, let me cross, let me cross. We'll do a chill drive now, we'll do a chill drive. We're not rushing. We're just chilling, we're not rushing. Sabi angas! Baka rin! Oh my God! Nakakatakot pagkatatitrahan. Magsakin. I'm crawling. Shout out to shout out. What the hell, yo? But my steering wheel still not straight. Y'all see that shit? Hindi pa rin diretso yung steering wheel ko. What the fuck? What the hell? Holy baka. Oh my God. 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 Baka. What the hell? Oh. Is it hearing the bubbly? Oh, pagdating ko dito sa bahay, biglang umulan. What the hell? Pati na lang nandito na ako. Ayan, umuulan. Okay. Toy car is safe right now. The method is safe. The method is safe. Is it really safe? Kakami ka lang and baka ito na yung second to the last time. Does that make sense? Second to the last time? Yes, second to the last time na makikita niyo yung toy car natin. Yung toy car. Kasi rainy season na naman and bumabaha dito sa lugar. Mabilis bumaha dito sa lugar namin. So, ayokong mabaha tong toy car. So, ipapark natin sa ibang bahay natin itong toy car. Itong toy car ko. Inside. Babawi tayo after rainy season, right? Gagawin natin ng kung ano-anong content to after rainy season. But, habang rainy season pa, ingatan muna natin yung toy car natin kasi gumastos pa tayo ng malaki. So, maaga ako nagising kanina. Kaya gagawin ko na lang. Kakain ako ng lunch. I think already 1 p.m. I haven't ate anything. I haven't drink anything. So, yeah. I think we ate for today, y'all. I think we ate for today's vlog. We just installed the widest... What do you call that shit? We just installed the widest wheel adapter on our toy car, y'all. What the fuck? And it is really so wide, y'all. Ain't gonna cap, y'all. It is really so wide. It's really wide as a bitch. So yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog, y'all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. Please. So, thank you so much for watching. I'ma see you in the next video.
Where you roared at? Bitch, you lagging out shit? You think they capping out here? Think they just rapping out here? Where you roared